On 27 July, during Prime Minister Mann program, an attack by miscreants occurred in Purba Tokchaya village of Khowai. In connection with this, Champahaoor police have arrested a total of 3 individuals. They were apprehended during operation conducted on Monday night and this morning. The arrested individuals are Rintu Deborma, Sachindra Deborma and Tapas Deborma. An incident of significant concern occurred in Purba Tokchaya village located in the Khowai district of Tripura on July 27, 2025. This attack by miscreants took place precisely during the live broadcast of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Mann Ki Baat monthly radio program. Following the attack, the Champahaoor police station, which falls under the jurisdiction of Khowai district, acted swiftly. They conducted operations on the night of July 27th and the morning of July 28th, leading to the arrest of 3 individuals, Rintu Deborma, Sachindra Deborma and Tapas Deborma. This arrest highlights the prompt response of law enforcement to the disturbance. The police have registered a case against the 3 arrested individuals under case number 18/2025, applying a substantial 10 different sections of the law. On the afternoon of July 28, the 3 arrested youths were produced in the court. This rapid legal processing underscores the authorities' commitment to a quick resolution of the case. The incident and the subsequent arrests also come in the wake of a strong statement made by Rana Ditya Das, the Khowai District Superintendent of Police, just the day before the attack.
পর্যন্ত 3 জন অ্যারেস্ট হয়েছে, তো বাকিরাও হবে, এখন ট্রাই করা হচ্ছে, দেখা হচ্ছে কোথায় আছে, চলছে ড্রাইভ চলছে, তাদেরকে অ্যারেস্ট করার জন্য বাকি যারা আছে।
কে কে গ্রেপ্তার হয়েছেন স্যার?
এখন পর্যন্ত 3 জন অ্যারেস্ট হয়েছে, একজন হলো শ্রী রিন্টু দেববর্মা, এক হলো শ্রী সুচেন্দ্র দেববর্মা, এক হলো তাপস দেববর্মা, 3 জন অ্যারেস্ট হয়েছে।
SP Das had publicly asserted that all culprits involved in such incidents would be swiftly apprehended and they would face exemplary punishment as per the law. Reported by Biplav from Khowai, Chini, Khorang.